Oh my god!
No chocolate for you. Because it's bad for you.
Ja, Diamonds.
I love you too. How was your day?
What's this made of? Glass.